I wonder how deep that water is.
It's not deep.
It looks like it's like 2 or 3 feet deep. Maybe. We're east of Maryville, near Townsend, I guess it is, on a bridge above the river, just outside the Great Smokies National Park. We're on our way up here for a soccer tournament. We're here in downtown Gatlinburg, Tennessee, and we're going to try to ride this sky lift up to the top and see what goes on up there. And traffic is not as bad as I remember. And Martha wants to sit down and be on video with whoever the hell this is.
600 feet.
Cool.
Woo!
You excited?
Yeah.
Have you ever been on a ski lift before?
Yes. When I went to Chile.
Was it as chilly as it is here?
This is the attraction of coming to this town.
Not really. This is a new one.
I'm so glad I brought my hat and my...
I'm a little cold.
for you to say that. Yeah, there are a few baskets.
Are you cold?
Yeah, I'm cold. This is cold.
I think it's colder.
Oh my God.
Well, thank you for telling me. Uh-oh, it stopped. Uh-oh.
Oh no.
We don't want this thing to stop while we're up here. What happens if the power goes out?
We freeze to death here.
We freeze to death up here? What do you think, Martha? Are you having fun?
I am.
You had gloves in your purse.
I have gloves. I can't be prepared.
You were well prepared. You know what? I brought my backpack and I have gloves in the car and a hat. I should probably put those in the backpack. So I guess that's the canopy tree walk. Now, that person was smart. They brought a blanket.
I was smart.
Prepare to unload. It's time to raise the bar. Hey, did that without falling.
Hey, what I like this.
So beautiful, I think.
Below is where we walked from. We're on top of the tower here. west. Townsend, Foothills Parkway, Knoxville's up towards that direction. And of course the city of Gatlinburg is down below us. You can see the Sky Needle or whatever they call that. Anyway, back over there is where the sky lifts were that we took. Over towards the south, towards the mountains. You can also walk across the glass to see down below. Towards the southeast, back that way, 54 miles is Asheville, Tennessee. East. Towards the northeast, Bear Swallow Mountain, Douglas Lake, Douglas Dam. All right, you ready to go back down? Probably should not try to do this with one hand. Whew.
Since 2017, we have never had anyone fall off this bridge.
You want to take the treetop skywalk?
It leads back to the lift. It leads back around.
That way when you fall, then we have evidence.
It's a long one. Woo!
This would be more fun if you could see what you're over.
Yeah.
Actually, it's probably better that you can't see what you're over. And I guess that's where we're going. You having fun?
Yep. And this is hard.
Yep. Well, we have to go up for everything we went down. This is like zip lining, but with your feet. So that's the treetop skywalk.
And you have to sit like this.
Yep. It'd be cool if that zip line went all the way down the mountain, but I doubt it does. All right, we're ready. Yeah, it's just two of us.
Make your way out to this chair.
Bye.
What's wrong? You saying aye?
I say bye.
Bye. All right, we're on our way down. Oh, we've been in the cold, and it's a kind of a cold day. Windy.
Getting the cold again.
But we're gonna basically, I don't know if you can tell, but we just jumped off the side of the mountain and we're actually skydiving. We're actually parasailing down to the bottom. Actually, that's not true, is it?
Here we are. The Smoky Mountains.
say it? Anakeesta.
Anakeesta, I don't know the name, but it was a very neat place to visit with a bunch of pathways, hanging bridges, and beautiful garden. It reminded me to the Atlanta Botanical Garden a little bit. What's this thing called? Where we are?
Anakeesta?
No, I'm talking about where we are. It's a ski line.
I guess it's a ski lift.
A ski lift.
Yeah.
It's a very, very nice ride.
I don't know if you could see down. We're probably about 50 feet, maybe even 100 feet from the ground here. And over there, across the way over there with the green and white, that's the other ski lift. That's the older one. This is the new one. This one's been here, he said, for 5 years. And now we're going down towards the city of Gatlinburg, Tennessee. It was $20 to park and $60 for us to go up.
70 something.
Oh, 70 something. Now, was it worth the $70, you think?
I think it is.
You think it was?
Yeah, but it's still pricey.
Oh, I can see the end. Show her the end.
Yeah, mira, ya estamos llegando. Picture here, because it's kind of cool. The downtown.
Our car is still here. For 20 bucks, it better be still here. Okay, prepare to unload by raising the bar. And then what you have to do is you have to run. And if you fall, it hits you in the head, then you can't sue. Run, baby, run! There we go, we made it! We made it! This is just gonna be a bunch of shops.
The wine and the things that everyone.
15, 20 years. Best Bloody Marys in town. Best burgers. What did you order?
Fettuccine Alfredo.
And I went with a hamburger.
Of course.
No, I went with lasagna. Just kidding.
You put it in the website.
I went with lasagna. And I'm number 55. Oh, we're staying in a campsite. I thought we got a hotel room. It's a nice and cozy and dark room. The bed and the lamp is made out of trees. We're almost out of the cold. I'm in a Buc-ees. And anyway, this place is crazy. Yeah, I remember when Quick Trips and Pilots came, I thought, man, those are big gas stations, but this place is crazy. There's a traffic jam to actually get out of your gas pumps.